Off with Kyler Saporito. Nice looking cat shirt, Kyler. He is now a teenager and entering those years, those oh so important formidable years in Columbus. Sure. Happy birthday, my man.
And a happy birthday to Emily Craig, another big number birthday, important one anyway. 18 years old in Baxter Springs. Happy birthday, Emily.
Mike and Missy Cisney are celebrating their 21st anniversary. And Mike and Missy, I want you to know that these wishes come from all your family and friends as the Cisneys celebrate in Girard.
And a very happy birthday to Tommy Bennett, turning 81 years old in Joplin.
John Green, he's got a 72nd birthday. Happy birthday to John in Crestline.
And happy birthday to Irene Lowry, turning 58 in Chanute.
And we will finish it off with happy anniversary wishes going out to Jeff and Kim Crane. They are celebrating their 37th anniversary. Congratulations to the Cranes in Columbus. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all on this July the 14th. That's where you can send them into. Birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can go to KOAMNewsNow.com and submit them there as well. Now, here's Zach Dodge with a very important birthday announcement.
You can, of course, be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website, like Michael just mentioned, and signing up. You can get special deals from local businesses as well. So go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.